Hey, Windows 11 users! Today, we're addressing a common frustration: apps not opening on Windows 11. If you've been clicking away and nothing's happening, stick around because we've got solutions. Step 1. Restart your computer. It might sound cliché, but a good old restart can work wonders, resolving minor glitches that might be causing the apps to misbehave. Step 2. Check for Windows updates. Outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Step 3. Reset the specific app. Head over to Settings, find the troubled app, click on it, and hit the Advanced Options button. From there, you can reset the app. Step 4. Run the Windows Store app's TroubleShooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, and run the TroubleShooter for Windows Store apps. And there you have it. These steps should help you troubleshoot and fix the issue of Windows 11 apps not opening. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And if you have other Windows 11 issues you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.